Today I'm doing a what I eat in the day video on my birthday. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day on my birthday, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along on my birthday to see what I do and what I eat. So come on along and share my birthday with me. I'm having a pretty low-key birthday after I had my iced coffee. I'm running out to get my license plates renewed. Nice birthday day. And then stopping to get some bagels for my husband. So today's birthday is probably going to be pretty low-key, not much to do. All my kids are gone for the weekend, so it's just going to be me and my husband. So I pull up to get some bagels at Bruegger's Bagels, and there's a Chipotle and a Jimmy John's right next door. So I think I'm going to get a sub at Jimmy John's. The turkey sub is pretty low in points, and I'll get it without mayonnaise and then add some Miracle Whip when I get home. So that is going to be my birthday lunch. For breakfast, I'm making an egg sandwich. I'm frying an egg and a piece of turkey sausage, which is 2 points. And then I'm putting them on top of a toasted bagel thin, which is 3 points, and adding a piece of deluxe American cheese for 2 points. And that is my sandwich for 7 points. And I also had the iced coffee earlier, so my total breakfast was 8 points. Today I'm taking a walk through some gardens in the area. It's called Garden View. It's $5 to get in, and I always wanted to walk through this. Lots of flowers and plants. When you walk, it tells you which way to go with the little golden arrows, and it winds through a bunch of flowers. This is the first time I've ever spent my birthday walking through a garden. I thought I'd do something different. It's a pretty laid-back day. My husband had knee surgery a couple weeks ago, so he isn't able to walk around much, so that's what I'm doing. Thought I'd stop in a Goodwill, see if I could find any treasures. Anybody like to do that? For lunch, I had a 6-inch turkey sub. The app says it's 6 points without mayo. And then when I came home, I added 1 point's worth of light Miracle Whip. And I also had some chips that I didn't picture for 5 points. I had made some of these snacks. There's a chocolate graham cracker for 2 points. And I put in 1 point's worth of sugar-free Cool Whip, and I froze it. So this is a 3-point afternoon snack. Back out walking again, trying to get some steps in. Looks like it's gonna storm though, so I don't know if I will make it to 10,000 today, but I'm out here on my birthday. Happy birthday walk. Tonight's dinner, I made some shrimp lo mein. I started off by making the sauce. A half a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a half a cup of vegetable broth, 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then I'll mix them all together and set the sauce aside. Next, I add about a half a teaspoon of oil to a wok, and then I'll add 12 ounces of shrimp that are peeled and deveined, and I sprinkle them with some spices and cook them till they're browned, and then I will set aside. Next, to the same pan, I add a bag of frozen stir-fried vegetables, and then I add some green scallions. Then I add 3 or 4 tablespoons of minced garlic and about a 1/4 teaspoon of grated ginger. I don't use too much of it. I don't want that flavor to overpower it. Then I add a bag of coleslaw mix, or this is a power blend with carrots and cabbage and Brussels sprouts. Then I will mix up the vegetables, and then I add the noodles. I used linguine here. I cooked 6 ounces of it, added it to the vegetables, and then I added the sauce, and then I added the shrimp back to the vegetable and noodle mixture, and I mixed it up, and that's my dinner for tonight. It was 5 points per serving, and it was very tasty, and you could also add some extra soy sauce if you wanted to. It's a really good dinner if you like Chinese food, lo mein. It's very good. You can get a lot for the points. Cheers. For my birthday dessert, instead of cake, I had this birthday cake yasso bar. It was only 4 points, and that size of it I'll show you here. It was okay. I would definitely rather have cake, but happy birthday to me. I know I had kind of a quiet birthday. I did not want to go out to dinner tonight. I tend to eat more, and that food is way more in points than what I would make. What do you guys do to celebrate your birthday? Please comment below. Well, that's going to be the end of today's What I Eat in the Day video for my birthday. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.